Imagine this. You wake up every morning, pour yourself a cup of coffee, check your phone, and see your bank balance has grown overnight, all without you working a single hour. Sounds unreal? Well, it's not a dream anymore. In this video, I'm going to share 5 amazing passive income ideas that are not just smart, but also beginner-friendly for 2025. If you're ready to work smarter, not harder, then this is for you. Passive income isn't about making quick cash. It's about building a system that generates money while you sleep, relax, or even travel the world. Whether you're a student, a full-time employee, or a stay-at-home parent, there's something here for everyone. So grab a notebook, because these ideas might just change your financial future.
Don't have hundreds of thousands to invest in property? No problem. Platforms like Fundrise and CrowdStreet allow you to invest as little as $500 in real estate projects. Your money helps fund large projects, like apartment complexes, and you earn a share of the profits. Real-life example. Sarah, a single mom from New York, invested $1,000 on Fundrise and now earns monthly returns of $80. No maintenance, no headaches, just steady income. The stock market isn't just for Wall Street experts. Dividend stocks are companies that pay you a portion of their profits quarterly or monthly just for owning their shares. Some great examples are Coca-Cola, Apple, and Johnson & Johnson. Pro tip: use apps like Robinhood or Fidelity to get started easily. Reinvest your dividends to grow your portfolio faster. Fun fact: did you know that Warren Buffett earns billions every year just from dividend payments? Think YouTube requires you to be on camera? Think again. Automation channels are faceless videos created using tools like Visla.ai, Pictory, or even Canva. You can pick niches like tech reviews, finance, or even relaxation music. Once your videos are up, AdSense revenue and sponsorships roll in passively. Real life story. Alex from Los Angeles created a meditation channel and now makes $5,000 a month while barely lifting a finger. Ever recommended something you loved? Imagine getting paid for it. By joining affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or CJ Affiliate, you earn commissions for every product sold through your unique link. Start a blog, create a niche Instagram page, or even embed links in YouTube videos. Pro tip: focus on high-ticket items like tech gadgets or
Focus on high-ticket items.
to maximize your earnings.
Focus on high-ticket items like tech gadgets or online courses to minimize your earning. Why sell physical item when digital is the future? If you have knowledge in any field, turn it into an ebook, an online course, or even printable planners. Platforms like Teachable, Gumroad, and Udemy make this super easy. Success story: Rachel, a cooking enthusiast, turned her grandma's recipe into a cookbook and earned $30,000 in her first year. And there you have it, 5 practical proven ways to earn passive income in 2025. Which one you are going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and share it with the friend, and subscribe to the channel for more life-changing financial tips. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best is time now. Let's grow together. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive deep into another exciting topic about financial freedom. Until then, take care and keep hustling smart.